In the previous lesson, we have seen how to create a basic filter for our event list. What we didn't see is how to enforce the filtering to be strict. And what I mean by strict is that when the user types, for example, ME, the records that will be returned will be the ones that are exact match with what we're searching. So basically, as long as I'm not typing the full Metallica search term, I shouldn't see anything being returned. So we will basically avoid things like a substring when what we actually want to do is to search by a specific name. Let's see in our code how we can implement this quick change. Well, it's quite easy. We need to just add a strict keyword after our search. So we do filter colon search colon strict, and we need a checkbox that will set this search strict option to either true or false. Or we can simply type true. Okay? So if I type search and true, that defines if it's strict or not, and I go back to my application. When I go into my events, if I type ME, nothing is returned, but if I type Metallica, I see the Metallica event being returned. So that's very easy. And if you want the user to be able to select a strict option or a more generic option, we can just define a new option, and that will be a checkbox. So I'll type exact match with a question mark, followed by the checkbox itself, and I'll bind it to the ng model, which I'll call strict. I'll modify my ng repeat, and I replace the true keyword with the strict ng model name. So basically the third parameter is to enable or disable the strict option. Angular will read the value inside our ng model, and if it's set to true, it will be evaluated to true as well inside our filter. Let's see if what I just stated is correct. We now have our new option in the event list. I leave it unselected for now, and I'll try to type an event name, and I can still find my Metallica event, even though I typed only 2 characters in lowercase, so it's not yet case sensitive, and it's still not doing an exact match. But as soon as I select that option, my results disappear, and I now have to type the full name with proper case in order to retrieve the results. If I just type the M of Metallica in lowercase, my result is gone. So this is the way to implement a strict search. Another thing we might want to do is to order our records in an alphabetical order. And Angular gives us a very easy way to do that. You don't believe me when I say it's easy? Let me show you. In our ng repeat, I'll just add a pipe, the OrderBy keyword, followed by a colon, and between single quotes we'll define the field we want to order by. So that will be name. We're going to order our list by the event name. Let's see if it works. And yes, our events are ordered in a nice alphabetical order. Oh well, you prefer to have a reversed order? Nothing easier. It's sufficient to add the minus sign in front of the order by element. So as soon as I save this, my list will be now ordered in reverse alphabetical order. Easy, isn't it?